1, 2, 3, come on!
Hello everyone, my name is Mahasri. Today I am showing you how to prepare the cake. Let's begin. Maida, half cup rava, sugar powder, half cup curd milk, half cup oil, essence, cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda. Let's begin the process. In a bowl, add maida, add rava, add sugar, mix together. Now adding the curd and milk. Now I am putting the milk. Now I am mix again. Add cocoa powder 2 spoons. Mix well. Now add oil. Add essence 4 drops. Baking powder and baking soda. Add some oil and mix it well. Pour this mixture into the cake batter. Grease the bowl. Pour the mixture into oil. Ante. So now, keep the batter inside the cooker. No need to add salt or water inside the cooker. You just keep the batter above the stand. Cover with the lid. And remember, remove the whistle. It is important. Cook it for 20 minutes in a medium flame. After 20 minutes, switch off the flame. Now, rest it for 10 to 15 minutes. Let it cool down to room temperature. Have your cake.